Question 22. This question is about the peak wavelength. So remember about the Wein's displacer law. Peak wavelength is proportional to 1 over absolute temperature. So we have to understand what changes is the absolute temperature. Temperature increases by 33%. What does it mean? It means temperature becomes as 1 plus 33% of T. Okay, approximate it like 1 plus 1/3. So it becomes 4 over 3 temperature. So as peak wavelength is proportional to 1 over T, so the wavelength becomes 1 over 4 over 3 lambda. So it becomes 3 lambda over 4. So the answer is B. Thank you.